If you're watching this with your significant other, it's time to turn to each other and repeat after me. I love you.
I love you.
But let's be honest.
But let's be honest.
We're basically friends pretending it's still there.
We're basically friends pretending it's still there.
And pretending is for children.
And pretending is for children.
Which means we're still in touch with our youth.
Which means we're still in touch with our youth.
And therefore our relationship is strong.
And therefore our relationship is strong.
But only really as friends.
But only as friends.
That used to have sex.
That used to have sex.
But never will again.
But never will again.
Happy Valentine's Day, sweetie. Pumpkin muffin, huffin', puffin', crumblin', dumplin'.
You suck at
romance.
Yeah, you totally suck.
Okay, if you survived that, congratulations. Your relationship is in a really good place, or you're in super deep denial, both equally difficult accomplishments. Good job. You're gonna need 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 fork, half a cup of melted butter. I'm gonna mix this together the old-fashioned way, which is clockwise. You could just quit and eat that with a spoon. Whoa, I just whistled. I'm gonna take, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 egg that doesn't have a personality. Get those mixed up until you got this buttery, rich, caramelly sauce. Look at that. Don't you want to just eat a spoonful of this? No, you don't, because there's raw egg in it. Now we're gonna take 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Wangjangle that together with something that's got some good mustard stains on it. Why don't you guess what happens next? Wrong. What we're gonna do is start to combine all these ingredients into one thing. You thought we were gonna bake them separately, but you're dumb. Let's go until you got a pretty good dough here. Then we're gonna take a whole cup of chocolate chips. Oh yeah. So many chocolate chip cookies are under chocolate chipped. That ends now. All right. So I've pre-parchment papered this pan. You can use a regular pan and add the parchment paper after if you want to. And then we're just gonna take, not even ping pong ball size really. I made these earlier, I could only fit 6. I feel like I've shrunk in the time-space reality. Okay, undoh's on 370 fundo. Good journey. All right, so they're just starting to get a little golden. That might be too much, but you decide. There's lots of leeway here. You can go less cooked, more chewy, more cooked, less chance of getting salmonella. Congratulations, you're a romantic person if you've baked someone cookies. It's such a nice thing to do. But there are other options. For example, if you want to be super romantic, a heart cookie says, I have some pretty good feelings about you, but I also don't have an original bone in my body and I just do what the corporations tell me to do. And by the way, I love you, sweetie, honey, pumpkin pie, darling. So much. Or bake a cookie in the shape of a car to say, baby, I love you so much, let's go on a road trip. Or sometimes I wish I could just get in the car and drive and drive and drive and never look back. Happy Valentine's Day, I love you. Or bake your cookie into the shape of a hammer to say, babe, you're so handy around the house. I really appreciate how you fix all the stuff that's broken. Or, for Christ's sakes, Jason, would you mind fixing the back deck finally? So don't step on a nail and get lockjaw? Happy Valentine's Day, I love you. Or make a cute little baby to say, honey, I think it's time we start a family. Or, you are so fucking immature. I'm not even mad at you. I'm mad at myself for not being able to see it in advance. And now I can't even bring it up because then I'll have to admit that I've been resenting this aspect of you for years, which will just make me feel vulnerable, which is so unfair because you're the living child. Happy Valentine's Day. But look, whatever you cookie you choose, just remember that in the end, there's really nothing more romantic than honesty. Honesty is the best thing for being honest. Probably not the best thing for feeling good in the short term, but you'll probably be better off in the long term, I'm pretty sure. Or at least I know someone who's a psychiatrist who would probably repeat that if I forced them to. Happy Valentine's Day. Brought to you by finger guns and agave juice.
Relationships are weird. They're usually good for about a year, until you start getting to the difficult stuff. Then you feel like you've had enough. Oh God, don't give up unless it really sucks, in which case steal their truck. You suck at being romantic, but maybe if you worked at it just a little bit you wouldn't suck so bad. So make some chocolate chip cookies tonight. Oh my God, you suck.